In this video, I'm going to show you how you can permanently uninstall or remove Alibaba.com shopping app from your smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So to remove or to permanently delete this app on your smartphone, you need to go to your apps. So I've opened here my apps and find your app. The simplest way to uninstall this app is just to long press on it. And when I do so, you can see we have here an option to uninstall. If you're missing this uninstall option on your smartphone, then use the second method. Now in the second method, just go to Google Play Store. And from here, search for your app. As you can see, it is installed. Instead of opening, go to uninstall. So you can uninstall the app straight from here. I'll tap on uninstall, then confirm that indeed I want to uninstall. And this will remove the app from my smartphone completely. Now, if I go back to my apps and open the apps, you can see we no longer have Alibaba.com shopping app. So that's how you can permanently uninstall or remove Alibaba.com app from your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.